Hey there! Ever been annoyed by your Xiaomi device's screen staying on while charging? Don't sweat it. I've got you covered with some easy fixes. Let's dive right into the solutions. Solution 1. Turn off developer options. First up, head back into your Settings app. Now scroll down until you spot additional settings. Next, give it another scroll until you find developer options. Time to take action, just toggle it off. After that, give your phone a quick reboot. Lastly, check if that sorted out the issue for you. Solution 2. Factory reset your device. Alright, let's go back into settings. Tap on About Phone this time. Scroll down a tad and hit Factory Reset. Now tap on Erase All Data. If you have got a password or PIN, punch it in. Hit that Next button. Then, tap on the Factory Reset option and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're all set, the problem should be history. That's it! No more screen staying on while charging on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. Questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real quick. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.